Hi, Chuck Huber here for the Stata YouTube channel. In Stata 16, we introduced meta-analysis, which allows you to study an outcome across multiple studies. You can summarize the results of the studies, create forest plots, examine heterogeneity of the results across studies, fit meta-regression models, and check for publication bias. In Stata 17, we have expanded our meta-analysis suite to include Galbraith plots. A Galbraith plot is a scatter plot of the standardized effect size for each study on the vertical axis and the precision on the horizontal axis. Precision is defined as the inverse of the standard error. These plots are mainly used to assess the heterogeneity of the studies and detect potential outliers, but they may also be used as an alternative to forest plots for summarizing meta-analysis results, especially when there are many studies. The overall effect size is depicted as the slope of the regression line through the origin. You can create a Galbraith plot by typing meta Galbraith plot, or you can open the meta-analysis control panel, click the button labeled heterogeneity, select Galbraith plot at the top, and click submit. You can learn more about Galbraith plots by visiting our website and downloading the manual. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by.